Michelle is asking this. We name our pets with names as well as the zoos name the animals that are in captivity. Has God and Jesus given the animals a name to call them too? I mean, I guess she's thinking like Fred and George or whatever. When your animals go to heaven, do they keep their name? I assume that means the name we gave them on earth. She doesn't say. How about the wild animals on here on earth? Has God given them a name? So I guess they're asking how personal is
I
God with
think
these
he will,
animals?
I think the Father will name everything. It's his favorite thing to do. And by the way, their own personal steeds, horses that they ride. Christ's horse's name is lightning, and Holy Spirit's is thunder. And so they name their own. That's why we name our pets. I don't know if you could call them, I guess they're like a pet. They're the ones that they ride the most. They're their
Oh
own
yeah.
personal transportation all over heaven. And of course, the Father does have a unicorn, whether you like it or not. I guess you're going to take those 9 scriptures out of the Bible that talk about it. He doesn't like it when you do that, people. There are unicorns in heaven. Why wouldn't there be unicorns in heaven?
It's good, good, good.